In this question, we are writing subsets of sets. So to write all subsets, we have to make sure we understand we're writing an actual set notation, so not an element. So if we were asked to write elements, we would just talk about writing C and B, the individual elements of the set. But we're talking about, so those would be elements. So other subsets, first of all, remember that every set contains itself and the empty set. So we're supposed to list all of the subsets in roster form. So we're going to say, first of all, the empty set is a subset. And we're also saying the original set itself, which was C and B, is a subset. Also, the subset that just contains C would be a subset. And also the subset that just contains B would also be a subset. And then we put curly braces around the beginning and around the end. So we actually see we have 4 different subsets. When you're looking at any set, remember that this empty set is always a subset, and you don't put curly braces around the empty set when you're talking about a set. You put curly braces around the original set, you put curly braces around each combination of subsets. Something else to point out, the original set has 2 elements. So subsets with 2 elements would just be the original set. That's the set containing C and B. So then you go down to subsets containing 1 element. Notice there was 2 of those, the one containing C and the one containing B. And then you go down to subsets containing no elements. That would be the empty set. So sometimes we list them in a different order, maybe sorting them by the number of elements. But this, thinking this out, is a way of knowing, or at least making sure that you've captured all of the possible subsets. And any subset not containing every element of the original set, so those 3 there, would be considered proper subsets. So just as a little bit of a reminder, if I say, for example, this statement that C, the set containing C, is a proper subset of the set containing C and B. So that would be a true statement. And just by comparison, if I wrote this statement, the set containing C and B, and if I tried to write proper subset of the set containing C and B, that is not a true statement, because the set that contains all of the original elements is not considered a proper subset of the original set.